Imagine yourself in this Ford 2017 Super Duty F-250 SRW Lariat. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are voice-activated navigation, chrome package, FX4 off-road package, gross vehicle weight, 10.0 pounds payload package, Lariat Ultimate package, 10 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM and CD player. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.